I'm at the factory producing Alan and Alison's house to find out more from head honcho Ian.
Ian, how you doing?
Mark, welcome. Good to see you.
Tell me what the advantages are with a SIPS building.
It's a very airtight structure. It's very quick to build, so an average build time might be reduced from, say, 9 months down to 6 months because of the way it goes up. So we would arrive with a pre-prepared foundation and we get it up, virtually watertight within 2 weeks.
So much quicker.
So much quicker.
As well as speed, another advantage is the quality of the installation.
So 2 sheets of 15mm oriented strand board. This starts off as liquid, gets very, very hot, and during the curing process, bonds onto there.
This actually just swells up. It's put in as a liquid and
it
swells
fills up and it's capped at 142mm in this case.
Right. So that panel is actually totally stuck to the...
Totally stuck to that, and it's got continual insulation all the way down the panel.
There is no gaps in this panel at all, so you cannot find any cold spots in the wall. It's completely filled up, totally solid, and no room for cold to go through from one side to the other. It's a brilliant system.